Hello everyone, I do have a 2014 F-150 with a V6 engine, 3.7 liter. I had an issue with this truck that it was not starting. It was cranking. Everything is fine. The battery was good. I kept checking videos on YouTube, and all the videos did mention something about the fuse number 27 under the hood. So if that's your issue, check that fuse. The first thing you have to do, check the fuse number 27, which is right here under the hood. You open this box and it's number 27, 20 amps. If it's fried, that means you have to change that. If that fuse is good and the truck is still cranking but no starting, I came across this issue here on this Ford, and luckily I did find the issue. It is the fuel modulator, or the fuel module, which goes on top of the spare tire, and you can see it right here. So this part has to be replaced. If you are stranded on the street, try to give it a couple hits with your hand or with a hammer or anything. Try not to be hard on it, and try to switch it on. It should work perfectly. I checked all videos on YouTube, and all of them was mentioning fuse number 27. In my truck, it was the fuel module, which goes on top of the spare tire. So go ahead and check that. It's actually a cheap part through Ford. Couple bolts, and it should be all done. Good luck, and have a good day. Bye bye.